Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can record our screen by just using simply Microsoft PowerPoint. So normally when we are going to record our screen, we normally use the softwares which have a watermark, as you can see right now down here, which says activate Windows. So it is not because of the screen recorder that I'm using, but it's actually because of the Windows that I'm currently using. So how can you do that? How can you solve that in a cheap way so that you don't have to mess a lot with the softwares and crack different software so that you can use screen recorders? So simply what you have to do is that you have to go into the insert menu in Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you simply click over here, and then you can see an option over here which says screen recording. So currently it's not showing anything which says screen recording because I'm currently recording from Microsoft PowerPoint. So what it actually looks like is, for example, if you want to record any screen that you want, for example, you have a secondary screen or you have a simple screen that you want, what you do is that you click over here on screen recording, and then the timer will start like 3, 2, 1, and then you can see on the top what it looks like. You can see that there are three different options. First of all, it allows you to select an area. So once you click on screen recording, it will allow you to select an area. For example, if you have two screens, currently I'm having two screens, so I can just select which screen I want, and I can also select how much area I want to record on my presentation. For example, if you just want to record the slide area, if you just want to record the slideshow, just select the screen that you want to, or just select the area that you want to show, and you can simply record that. So currently, as I'm using external mic, which is not actually a real mic, but it is from my mobile phone, so I will show you in my next video how you can connect your mobile audio with this with the laptop or with any device that you're using by simply connecting with Wi-Fi or USB. It's simply very easy, and it's very easy to use, and also very cheap way to use a high quality audio. As you can see in my video, the audio quality is really nice and it's really clear. It's the reason because I'm using my mobile audio, and I'm connecting my mobile audio with the laptop so that it doesn't have any sound disturbance, anything at all. Also, if you want to pause your video at any time, if you want to stop your video at any time, you can see that you have different options, which just says you can press the window button plus shift and plus Q, you can stop the window. And if you just want to pause it for a while and then you want to continue the video again, then you can use this pause option. Also, if you don't want to show any cursor while you are recording, you can just click here and the cursor will go away. For example, I currently can see, but in the video you can see that you won't be able to see the record pointer option. You won't be able to see my pointer. So right now, as you can see that audio is highlighted, that means my audio is being recorded, which is because my mobile audio is connected with the laptop. And you can see that from this mic option, which is Woo mic line. I will quickly take you through how to connect this Woo mic line with your laptop so that you can easily record any audio in your presentation or anything at all. Now you have online conferences and you have to connect with various people on Zoom meetings, or you also have training sessions on Zoom meeting, so you need to record your different presentation session. So currently in this mode, as you can see, it will appear exactly the same. Right now you can see that my video is being recorded and my audio is also being recorded. So it's just simple and easy. Just click that screen recording and you are ready to go. So now if I give you a demo or presentation how to record it, it's simple and easy. I just selected my area of recording, which is exactly this location over here till here, and then you can simply go on next, and you can see your video will be high quality and really good quality, and you can easily present that. So once you're done with this, I will show you how it looks like in a file, and I will just quickly escape from here and I will show you how it looks like. So once you go over here and you click on stop, it will just right at the moment it will stop, and I will show you the next step, how it looks like and how is the presentation quality. So now I'm going to press stop and the video will be produced. So now once you press the stop button, as you can see, now I've started a new video. Once you press the stop button, the video that you recorded will appear on your Microsoft screen. So this is the video. As you can see, there is a play button and you can see the time recorded, which is around 4 minutes 38 seconds. So this is the video that I recorded. So if you want to save this video, just click here and you can say save media as, and so once you click save media as, you can just simply go and click here, and you can save your media here, and that's all you have to do. So once you are done, you can paste it here, open it, and you can see and you can also hear my voice in this video. So this is the video that I recorded, and now you can see that. Different options. First of all, okay, so you see the quality, everything is so good and amazing, and I hope that you find this video useful and you will use this recording options in your next sessions of Zoom meeting, or you can record any training session that you are having online. If you guys like this video, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, do watch them, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it, because I really need your support. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.